Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can cancel or retract bid on eBay. So it's pretty simple. You want to go to ebay.com and log in into your eBay account first. After you do that, you want to click on this option called Help and Contact. Once you click on Help and Contact, inside Help and Contact you will see a search bar. Search bar, you want to search for retract a bid. After you search for retract a bid, the current item which you are on a bid, it's going to show that. So this is the only item which I'm bidding right now with my account. That's why it's showing this. So I need to click on this item. Once I click on this item, it'll take me to this page. Now over here, I need to choose why I'm canceling this bid. Now at first you might not see these options. So just scroll a bit down and you will see these options. From over here, choose any option you like. I will just click on another reason and I will click on continue. Once I click on continue, it is going to take you to this page where it's confirming your retraction of bid. Click on retract bid and your bid will be retract. So that is basically how we guys can cancel or retract bid in eBay. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future eBay related video like this. If you guys have any question, ask me in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.